Next, exercise 13.3, question number 4. Question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meters is dug 40 meters deep. So here it is a one well. Well diameter, dimensions are given. Diameter is equals to 3 meters. So radius is equals to 3 by 2, that is equals to 1.5 meter. Height of the well. Well is a cylindrical shape. Height of the well is equals to 40 meters. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of the circular ring of width 4 meters to form an embankment. So they dug and earth is taken out from the well, and they constructed one embankment. Embankment is nothing but it is a wall which is constructed around the well. So they constructed one wall around, so like this it is here. You can see some diagrams, just see the figures. Next, the width of the embankment is 4 meters. The width of the embankment is, this one is 4 meters. Next, height of the embankment, this one we need to find. Height of the embankment, H1 is our question mark. Find the height of the embankment. So we need to find height of the embankment. Width of the embankment is equals to 4 meters. So embankment is nothing but it is a wall which is constructed around the well. So you can see like this. Just to see this. Just feel like it is an embankment. Inside this one is a well. It is a well. Inside it is a hollow. This one is well. Outer side this part is constructed. This one is called embankment. This wall. So this circular wall is called embankment. Next, this embankment is constructed using this earth is taken from the dug and earth is taken from the well. So volume of well is equals to volume of the embankment. So embankment is constructed using this one. So volume of well is equals to volume of well is equals to volume of embankment. Now, how to find volume of embankment? Volume of well, this is a cylindrical shape. We know it pi square h. Volume of embankment. To finding volume of embankment. Just to see it is a cylindrical shape. Just to find volume of outer cylinder. Just to subtract inner is it is hollow. Just to subtract inner part. The inner is also cylinder. So volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder is equals to volume of embankment. That is equals to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So here dimensions, width of the embankment is 4. So here I am taking this one, radius is equals to R2. R2 is equals to 1.5 meters. Next to R1 is equals to, R1 means it is a circular shape, ring shape. So inside this one is radius is 1.5. Next to this width of the embankment is 4. So 1.5 plus 4 is R1. So this length is R1. R1 is equals to 1.5 plus 4, that is equals to 5.5 meters. So this radius, outer radius is 5.5, inner radius is equals to, that is nothing but well radius already we know it, that is 1.5. So this 1.5 plus width is outer radius. So volume of well is nothing but it is a volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. So here I am taking pi r2 square h2. Volume of embankment, here embankment. So we need to take only up to here. Volume of outer cylinder, here also I am writing pi r square h minus pi r square h. So this one is I am taking R1, this is R2. So this one is H1, that is the height of the embankment. Now pi R2 square H2 is equals to, we can take pi H1 is common. So we will get R1 square minus R2 square. So that is equals to pi R2 square h2. So we can cancel pi. So r2 square h2 is equals to, so h1 into this one we can write r1 plus r2. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So now you substitute all the values. Substitute all the values. R2 is equals to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into h2 is equals to 14. 14 is equals to h1. So h1 is our question. So h1 r1 plus r2. So that is equals to 5.5 plus 1.5 into 5.5 minus 1.5. So 2 cancellation, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So here 3 into 7 by 2 is equals to h1 into 5.5 plus 1.5, that is equals to 7 into 5.5 minus 1.5 is 3 into 7 by 2. 7 by 4 transpose to left side, we will get h1 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7 by 2. So 7 is 1 by 7, 4 transpose to left, it becomes 1 by 4. So 7 cancel. So the remaining numbers 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 2 is 8. So 9 by 8. So convert into decimal. 8 ones are 8, 10, 8 ones are 8, 20, 8 twos are 16, 40, 8 fives are. So height of the embankment is equals to 1.125. Next question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height is 15 cm is full of ice cream. So it is ice cream container. It is a cylindrical shape. The dimensions: diameter is 12 cm, radius is equals to pi2, that is equals to 6 cm, height is equals to 15 cm. So this is a ice cream container. Next, the ice cream is to be filled into the cones. So the ice cream they are shifting to cones. Filled into cones. Height is 12 cm and diameter is 6 cm. So diameter is 6 cm. Height is equals to 12 cm. Having the hemispherical shape on the top. So ice cream shape is like this. This cone shape is like this. Cone plus hemisphere. This one is cone. This one is hemisphere. So this ice cream, this cylindrical container ice cream, they are shifting into cones. So the shape of the final ice cream is so like that. Cone plus hemispherical shape. Top is a hemisphere. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Here we need to find number of cones. Number of cones we need to find. Let number of cones equals to number of ice cream cones equals to I'm taking n. So this ice cream we are filling into cones. So volume of all these cones, volume of all the cones is equals to volume of this container. So volume of cylinder is equals to, otherwise n into volume of ice cream cones is equals to volume of the container. Container is cylindrical shape. Volume of cylinder. So n into volume of all the cones is equals to volume of the container. So that is equals to n into volume of ice cream. Ice cream is a combination. This is a combination of cone and hemisphere. So therefore volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere is equals to volume of cylinder. Formula is pi r square h. So here we are taking r is equals to r1, height is h1. So that is equals to n into volume of cone formula, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So these are taking h2's. Volume of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is equals to r2 is equals to pi r1 square h1. Here we can take common n into, so 1 by 3 pi r2 square is common. So the remaining one is here h2 plus here 2 is there 2r is equals to pi r1 square h1. Pi cancelled. So remaining substitute the values r2 is equals to 3. So 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 h2 is 12 plus 2 into this one is r2. 2 into r2 is 3 is equals to r1 6. So 6 into h1 is 15. 3 cancel. So n into 3 into here 2 into 3 6 plus 12 18 is equals to 6 into 15. So we need n value. N is equals to 3 and 18 transposed to right side. So we'll get 6 into 15 by 3 into 18. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So n is equals to 10. Therefore, the number of ice cream cones is equals to 10. Next, question number 6. How many silver coins 1.7 centimeters in diameter and thickness is 2 mm must be melted to form a cube by dimensions 5.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. So how many silver coins are needed? So the silver coin shape is cylindrical shape. These are melted and recasted into cuboidal form. So here volume of all the cylinders, volume of all silver coins is equals to volume of the cuboid. So here I am writing volume of silver coins. Volume of silver coins is equals to volume of cuboid. So we don't know how many silver coins. Let you take the number of silver coins equals to number of silver coins is equals to some n. So here dimensions are given. So diameter of the silver coin is 1.75. Radius is equals to by 2, that is 1.7 by 2 centimeters. H is equals to, it is given in the millimeters, convert into centimeters. Remaining all the measures are given in centimeter. This one also, height also convert into centimeters. So 2 mm by 10, that is equals to 0.2 centimeters. The dimensions of the cuboid L is equals to 5.5, B is equals to 10 centimeter, H is equals to 3.5. So volume of silver coins, here n silver coins are there. So n into volume of one silver coin, n into volume of silver coin is equals to volume of cuboid. So that is equals to n into silver coin is a cylindrical shape. So the formula is pi r square h is equals to LBH. So n into pi we can take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r is equals to 1.75 by 2 into 1.75 by 2 into h is equals to 0.2 is equals to L, that is 5.5 into 10 into 3.5. So better you transpose to right side, just remove the decimal symbol. Here you will get 200, remove decimal you will get 200, remove decimal you will get 2 by 10, remove decimal you will get by 10, remove decimal you will get 10. So n is equals to 55 by 10 into 10 into 35 by 10 into 22 by 7 is 7 by 22 into 200 by 175 into 200 by 175 into 10 by 2. So now we do the simplification. Here 10, this 10 cancel, 10, here 10 cancel. So 55 and 22 you cancel, 11 5s are 11 2s are 11 2s are. Next 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 hundreds, 2 1s are 2 hundreds. So the remaining terms 100, 5 I'm cancelling, 5 ones are 5 3s are 15, 25, 5 5s are 25. So here 35 cancelled. Next 7 and 175. 7 ones are 7 2s are 14, 3 remainder 35, 7 5s are 35. So 125, 25 ones are 25 4s are. So number of silver coins equals to 100 into 4. So that is equals to 400 silver coins.